Well, this video here is quite appropriate for the situation. I didn't sleep worth a crap last night, so I figured I would get up and come to the river this morning to see just what all was biting, and as soon as I parked, the bottom fell out of it, and it's not going to be out of here for a couple more hours, so that was a wasted drive. So, another re-upload just so that I can have some content, because I am running low on videos. Like, it's been one thing after a freaking another here lately as far as being able to get videos out. So, this was just fishing before a storm at one of the favorite spots that I go to. It's, like I said, it's an older video. Caught some fish, that's all that matters, so enjoy the video. What's up, everybody? Up here on the river, just kind of bouncing from spot to spot, just seeing what all's biting and where. And this first spot we're at here, I fished for a little bit, for about 20 minutes or so. And only caught two tiny little bluegill, but the wind just started picking up, so I'm probably going to go and hit the crappie spot and see what's biting up there. But I noticed something a minute ago after I thought about it for a second. I was like, what is this email from TWRA? My fishing license runs out tonight, so I get to buy a new license when I get home. Anyway, let's spend our last couple hours with this license and see if we can catch a couple fish. We got an itty bitty super ultra tiny one. Wow. God, you're so freaking tiny. Okay. That is all of a 2 1/4 inch green sunfish. Got another one, another big one. This is a itty bitty little warmouth sunfish. Itty bitty one. If you're wondering where you can catch warmouth sunfish, same places that you can catch green sunfish, just in the little cracks of rocks. They don't have to be, which a lot of them that I have caught here have been farther out, but I have also caught a lot of them just in the cracks of rocks. Hey, we got another one. What are you? You are a little bit larger green sunfish. Ooh, scrappy little turd. Something's been biting on you. You got bite marks there on the backside. Probably a gar or bass or something like that. I ordered some 1/64th and 1/32 ounce jig heads off of Amazon because I couldn't find my 1/64th, and I liked the style that they came in. Well, I ended up having 4 of these little boxes like this, and I just put all of this 64th and 32nds in their own boxes, and which left me with 2 left over, which is perfect. So now I've got a box for 1/64th, one for 1/32nd, 1/16th, and 1/8. I'll leave a link in the description. All of these jig heads here are B&M, just plain lead heads. But yeah, they're I like using sickle style hooks for pretty much all of my fishing, and the ones that I ordered were 1/64th and 1/32nd number 8 sickle heads. So I've got plenty of jig heads for this year. I'll leave a link in the description, like I said, for all that. fish. Finally. I had a good feeling that there would be one right there behind that little corner. There usually is. And, surprise to me, I'll show you here in just a second, in case you didn't already notice. White crappie. I don't catch a lot of these, but the way, like I said before, you can tell white crappie, see all these vertical bars, that's one way. And the spines on its dorsal fin, well, I don't want to raise them up, but you can count the spines on the dorsal fin, and if it's 4 to 6, it's a white crappie. Combined with those yellow bars, or not yellow bars, vertical bars. And usually, another thing, white crappie tend to have a yellowish green hue to them. And another thing with the white crappie is they usually get quite a bit bigger. Hey, I just noticed something. We got company right up there on top of that tree. Bald eagle. Whenever you see a bald eagle while you're out fishing, you have to salute it. It's the right thing to do. I mean, I wouldn't be opposed to that eagle coming over here and hanging out with me for a minute, and then when I catch a fish, I just feed it to it. Because, you know, fishing with a bald eagle will be more fun than watching Dale Sr. give Jeff Gordon a middle finger while chugging a beer and sliding across the finish line at Daytona. Hey, I've got a fish. I thought I was snagged on something. Ain't got a clue what it is, but got a fish. Yeah, it is a crappie. Honestly thought I was snagged for a second there. And as y'all can tell, we got storms coming in. Possibility of some torpedoes and snow naders and all that tonight. I've snagged something or caught something one. It ain't fighting very hard. Where did you go? Ah, I did actually catch you. If I'm being honest, you bite one of the laziest yellow bass I've ever caught. I thought I had snagged a shad or something. There's a bobby garland floating right there. I know it ain't mine, and I guess I need to check the weather because it just got cool real quick. That's a load of crap. There's rain back that way. That radar's wrong. Our radar can't smell rain. Us rednecks can. Chill. Oh, yellow bass. Tell you what, yellow bass are pretty. Chill. Chill. Little bluegill. We're just gonna give it a few more minutes and then call it quits. I've caught something decent here. Something very decent that did have a little visitor, but I don't know where it went. Had a lamprey on it. Oh, it's down there in the rocks. You're definitely a keeper, so guess what? You're going home. And on that note, I am calling it quits. Well, we didn't exactly wear them out, but we caught a few and got one to take home. Show you again real quick. It's probably a 11 or so inch crappie, so or 11 or 12 inch. So I'm gonna get home, get that thing filleted and fried, and probably do it all over again tomorrow if it ain't piss pouring down rain. Anyway, if you like the video, like, share, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. If there's any other content creators you enjoy watching, do the same thing for them, because it's the right thing to do. Helps everybody out in the long run. Anyway, thanks.